It's this Saturday, June 12th, the City of Memphis Job Fair from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. at the Gaston Community Center located at 1046 South 3rd Street. The City of Memphis is seeking full and part-time roles, including CDL drivers for solid waste, general services and park services, maintenance mechanics, truck mechanics, automotive technicians, environmental engineers, pipe layers, equipment operators, wastewater treatment trainees, compliance specialists, and animal care technicians. We will have information on Manhood University, Memphis Fire Department recruit and alarm operator, Memphis Police Department recruit, lateral recruits, and radio dispatcher. So bring your resume and valid identification. We'll have on-site interviews and various divisions of city government will be on hand. Visit MEMPHISTN.GOV/careers for more information. The City of Memphis Job Fair, this Saturday, June 12th at the Gaston Community Center.